Okay.
Mommy, wrap me into a present.
Okay, I got one present there.
Mama's away.
I got another package. Oh, it's a Christian syringe! Yay!
I want this present. Mommy, Aunt wrap me into another package. Mama's away.
All right. What could it be this time? Okay, I don't think the screaming is quite necessary.